Hi, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about the sentence embedding. In the sentence embedding, actually, what is embedding? Embedding is nothing but converting the text into the vectors. Vectors is nothing but the numbers, like if it is a float number, float values. Okay. Now, step by step, how we will do the sentence embedding. We can see. Let's Now, first we are installing the transformers. To install transformers, we are now it will install the transformers, and we are importing required packages, torch, and transformers. Like uh, from the transformers, we are importing the BUT tokenizer and BUT model. The why we use this tokenizer and modeling, like uh, for whenever we pass the text as a input, that text is will convert to the tokens by using this tokenizer, and this BUT model will uh, what will do, like the tokens, uh, the converted tokens will uh, we get the vectors. So based it will take the inputs that will give the vectors by using that model. Okay. Input random. This is a random model, and from the sklearn we are using importing the cosine similarity. We have the Euclidean distance and also dot product uh, and cosine similarity. Now we are taking the cosine similarity. Okay. And here random state is equal to 42, and random seed of random seed, that is this random value done will come here, random dot seed of 42, and task dot manual underscore seed of random seed, that 42 will come here. And if the task dot CUDA is available, if GB is available, it will take that random seed of that 42. Actually, what is this random seed and all that is, like, for example, if you have the data set, or if you have the deck of cards, uh, whenever we shuffle or whenever we split the data set, uh, it will split whenever randomly it will split, and whenever we shuffle, it will get the data deck of cards different times different cards, and different times different rows will get in the data set, like so. Without getting like that, if we keep this 42 state or any value, not only this 42, like if we keep any value, uh, every time the when we shuffle, when we give the or else when we split the data, the same rows will get in the data set, and the same uh, deck of cards will be given to the same that person. But that is a the deck of cards is some example I'm saying, like the data set. Consider this data set example. Okay. And here but tokenizer dot from print and access. Here what we are doing is from but base and case. This is the model we are taking, and from but case uncased, this is the but model. This is the model, and this is the tokenizer we are using from Hugging Face. Now we are printing that model. This is the model, but embeddings and encoder. This is a list of the self output and intermediate output, but polar. So for a, now we will see the example. See text for text one is like software skills. This is my channel and is best for AI, and this uh, Shishik Murray is a software engineer. So, uh, these are the some two sentences example we consider. Now tokenizer. This is the tokenizer we are taken from this variable. This is the tokenizer from but tokenizer from pre-trained. That model we are taking here, and batch data and code place the two text values in the it is in the like we have to keep in the list, and the padding equal to true and the truncation equal to true. That means like when the sum of the text values will be some long and some of the text value will be less. And whenever we do the encoding and the padding will be like the same length, it will be padding of the same text will be same. It will take same. And return tensor. This is the PyTorch we are using, and add special tokens true. Now, like the text, I am executing the code, and from this encoding, whenever we execute this code, it will uh, in the encoding variable, it will get the two metadata. In the metadata, we get the two variables. One is the input IDs, and another is the attention mask. What is this is like I will show you now. In this output input IDs, whenever we pass this text, it will get the sum of the input IDs. That the text is converted to the this integers. Okay, and now attention mask is nothing but like the necessary text only it will consider. Other one is the only the important text it will consider, and the which is having the zero, it is not considered as a that integer number is it will not consider from the input is that. Okay, now what is i- this with space dot touch dot no grade, and what this function will do is like sorry what this code will do is uh, disables the gradient computation, like this one, which it is reduces the memory consumption and speed of inference. That means like here we are in the model. This model we are taking from this here, and that this model but model from the but model from pre-trained we are but taking from the Hugging Face, and that model for that model we are passing the input IDs and the attention mask, whatever that data we are fetching now, that input IDs and the attention mask that we pass to them that model, and we get the uh, embedding uh, that float values will get. Okay, here the last embedding dot shape like last uh, uh, will get the last sequence. Okay, 1 minute. Here the shape is what dot embedding dot shape is like two. Two means nothing but we pass it the two text, and the 14 is nothing but number of tokens in each sequence. It will consider the important like text I told it like the relevant text that 14 is it will consider, and 768 is the dimension. Now we see the how it will look. These are the two texts. Uh, up to this up to this is the one text, and this is another text, and from this there are 14 every in the every row there are 14 values, and 768 is the dimension. And now see input IDs we have read that input IDs whenever that let's see. So whenever we pass we can also decode that these values we can decode. Now we decode this one, second one we decode. Okay, now we'll get the values. This value we get that's say this one text 2, because we are passing the input IDs of one. Second one we are passing. So this one. So this is Kumar is a software engineer will get. Okay. And whenever we pass first first index, it will get the first one. We can and decode. Decode is nothing but we can convert the integers to the text also. Thank you for watching.